Farrell here from Steel and Fence Supply, and today I'm going to identify some of the parts of a chain link fence for you. So the first thing we have here is what's called the top rail on a chain link fence. Next we have the fence ties, and then you have the chain link fence mesh itself. Moving over here we have what's called a rail end cap, a carriage bolt that's then mounting it into a brace band. Here we have a dome top that fits over the post, or a post cap. Then we have the tension bar, carriage bolt again, tension band, have another tension band here, another carriage bolt, another tension band, another carriage bolt. Then you have a brace band on the bottom, carriage bolt holding the tension wire. From the tension wire we have a hog ring that's securing the chain link mesh to the tension wire. Go down the line a little bit here, we have what's called an I-top, and that allows the top rail to slide through, and that just mounts right on top of your line post. We have more fence ties on it, securing the chain link wire. That way it's not coming off those posts. Go all the way to the bottom. You can see we still have the tension wire running in between the fence post and the chain link mesh. This is so that way it doesn't get pushed off, but stays nice and tight. Also, again, secured with a hog ring. So you go all the way down, you'll see that we eventually have the exact same setup as we did over there. And this is a basic assembly of a top rail, bottom wire chain link fence.